Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo Z1 Pro. So in this particular video we're going to see how to resolve or solve all the Google Play Store related problems. So although there is only a single thing which we have to follow to resolve any problem related to Google Play Store. So let's move to that part. So for that firstly we have to tap on settings, and as soon as you will be going to that, afterward you have to move to more settings. Afterward you have to move to app manager, and here it will list out all the apps that have been installed on your phone. Afterward just tap in and find the Google Play Store. So that is Google Play Store. Just tap in here, and afterward you have to find storage. Again tap it here. So after that, firstly you have to clear the cache. In most of the cases, after clearing cache, all the underlying Google Play Store related issues are resolved. If any case, in anyhow case, you are not able to get the resolution, then I will recommend firstly clear cache and afterward clear the data. Once you will clear data, then just move to the Google Play Store. For the very first time, it might take some time to load, or I would say load on your phone. So after successfully loading it, now you will be moving to My Apps and Games. So for the next 1 or 2 days, there will be no listing here because you have cleared the data. So don't worry about that, or I would say not to worry about anything. All the data will be available here within next 1 to 2 days because you have cleared the cache and afterward you have also cleared the data. But in case of clearing cache, most of the apps will be listed here. But if again it is not, then not to worry about it. Will be coming back or seeded back to your phone in next 1 to 2 days. Even this will be same for the installed and so on, but I think in for library it will be available. Even you can share the same procedure with your other friends and family members or whatsoever who are using another phones as well. The procedure to finding that particular Google Play Store app would be different, but apart to this, every tip or trick would be the same. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.